team have been announced. They're going with 5 in midfield with a 4-5-1 setup. So we're on. Which way will this game go? Mendy. Passed well. Defending. That's good link-up play. That's nicely played. Goldberg. Confident pass. He's so skillful on the ball. Ederson picks it up. Intercepted. Isco. Mendy. He loves to go past players with the ball. Oh, this is good stuff. Good distribution. Oh, a chance now to turn defend. He could be punished for that mistake. Finds his teammate. He's unstoppable with the ball. The defender regains possession. And now they're going to try and break. Cancelo. He loves to run with the ball. He's so skillful on the ball. The attacker is in possession. He's so skillful on the ball. That's good link-up play. Fancies his chances from here. That's a goal kick. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Benzema. Well read. That's nicely played. Get it back inside. Now Isco. Good ball. Great passing there. Passed well. Good distribution. That's good link-up play. Oh, there's an opening here. He got a good hand behind that. The keeper's blocked that one. Now, what can they conjure up from this set piece? Quality defending there. Well timed then. Great defending. Now De Bruyne. Half time then. Let's hope for some goals in the second half. They've made just one change for the second half. The fans are back in their seats for the second half of this Global Challenge Cup. Oh, confident defending. Oh, well intercepted. Finds his teammate. Confident pass. Great patience here. They've taken it down the wing. Played in field. Pulls the trigger. Good save by the goalkeeper.
Yeah, we're sweet. Promises we keep. Can we go back to last summer? We're at parties with the ground beneath my feet. Yeah.
And the coach is changing things round. Can they make something of this? And that's into the box. Benzema. Now time for a fresh player to enter the fray. Kicked outfield. He's headed the ball forward. Well cut out. Odriozola. Good ball. Now Isco. Benzema. That's nicely played. Benzema. Well taken by the goalkeeper. Keeper opts to throw this one out. Good distribution. Not a good tackle at all. Time for a to score. Good interception. That's good link-up play. This player is taking on the opposition. Jesus. Oh, defending. Finds his teammate. Back towards the centre. Passing the ball really well. Great. Can he get a shot in? It's saved by the keeper.
I listened to the beat of my own heart underneath the sunset, like a magnet, collecting
Let's see what difference the change makes. And the manager's making a change here. Gets the header in.
Now, what can he do from here?
The ball is swung into the danger. Shoots. Not the best effort there. The keepers have certainly been the stars here today. Lovely passing here. He's unstoppable with the ball. Did well to win the ball back. Oh, well timed. Confident pass. At the striker's feet. Passed out wide then. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Good ball. Pass down the wings. And he's won it back for his team. Passed well. That's full time, and we're all square onto extra time and possibly penalties. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. Off we go again then for another 30 minutes of extra time. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. Won the ball. Aguero in possession. Oh, this could be costly. Really well played. Well cut out. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Ederson picks it up. Good distribution from the keeper there. Good distribution.